How to change region on any Android? First of all, go ahead and open settings on your Android device. And on this Android device, you need to simply search for additional settings. Open it. And under this additional settings, you'll find many options, but you have to open the language and region option. On the section, you will see region. Simply open the region option and from here you can easily search any region that you reside on. Suppose if you reside on India, you can simply select India and then you can easily change your region on your Android device. So that is how we successfully change region on any Android device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.